Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle from 1876. So you can see that black has the king, 2 knights, 2 pawns and a queen. White has the king, 4 pawns, 1 knight, 1 bishop, 2 rooks and the queen. It's white's turn, and can you see the checkmate in 2? If you take the knight on b3 with the queen, black can then move their knight to e5. You can then take that with the rook. The king is then forced to move to d4, and then you can checkmate in 3 by moving the queen to c4, but not in 2. If you move the queen to e2, black queen is pinned, so black can take the rook with the king, and then take the queen with the bishop. King can then move to d6. You can then promote the pawn to even a bishop to get a checkmate in 3, but not 2. There's another checkmate in 3 if you promote the b pawn to a queen. The king can then take the rook on d5. You can then move the first queen into e5, but black can take that with the knight. So it's not a checkmate in 2, but then the other queen can move in for the checkmate in 3. Moving the queen to b1 will only get you a checkmate in 4. The king can take the bishop on d5. You can then take the knight on b3 with the queen. The king might continue with d6. You can then promote the b pawn. King is then forced to move to e7, and then you can checkmate in 4 with the rook. Okay, let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in 2, what you actually need to do is move the c pawn to c7. Black makes a move like moving the knight. You can then move the queen to d4 to checkmate the king in 2. If black takes the rook on d5 with the king, you can then checkmate in 2 by taking the queen with the bishop. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.